Hello and welcome to the Trabant USA YouTube channel. My name is Adam Banco and I have a lot of Trabant stories to tell you. Good stories. This video meant to be a short 2 or 3 minutes introduction video, but apparently it ended up being a lot longer. Some of these footages you might find it disturbing or violent. This is how it started. This is all part of the story, so I have to show it to you. Anyways, I want this to be a short video, so I better stop talking and show you guys some crazy.
Oh yeah, can you take a video? We'll put it on YouTube.
Yeah, we can do that.
Let's do that. That'd be good. It's good, yeah. I like that.
Morgen früh, wenn Gott will, wirst du wieder geweckt. Morgen früh, wenn Gott will, wirst du wieder geweckt.
Ladies!
Woohoo! All right. Last baby! Woohoo!
Guten Abend, gute Nacht, von Englein bewacht, die zeigen im Traum dir Christkindleins Baum.
Hi everybody, it's me, Jason Torchinsky, and I'm about to fulfill a lifelong dream today in that I'm going to be driving a Trabant.
Trabants are the best!
I'm a rock star yet? I'll do that when I'm rich and famous. Well, I'm getting there, baby. My name is Mike Gannon, I'm a Trabant freak. I met him in Berlin.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando a riposo, Narcisetto a Tocino d'amore. Delle belle turbando a riposo, Narcisetto a Tocino d'amore. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi, stretto sacco,
Hold on!
No, get the kid in here! Yeah! Mike, take a picture of him!
Molto onor, poco cantante, poco
Robert Dunn! Robert Dunn! Robert!
Yay!
Congratulations!
per montagni, per valloni, colonne vie salioni al concerto di tromboni, di bandate di cannoni che le porre tutti i cloni.
God dang, what? What's that say, Blue Smoke?
Siesta! Non più frai quel cappello, non più frai quella chioma, non più frai quell'aria brillante, non più frai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girato, delle belle Trabant al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor, delle belle Trabant al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
So you get to see a little bit. It gives you an idea of what's going on here. I hope you stick around. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I see you guys again in the next video.